solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of my God and my country. I will honor my parents, my teachers, my leaders, and my elders, and those in authority. I will be clean and honest in all my thoughts, my words, and my deeds. I will strive in everything I do to work together with my fellow men of every creed and race for the greater happiness of all and the honor and glory of my country.
Good morning, Principal of Naparima College, Vice Principal of Naparima College, staff, students, and other well-wishers. It is indeed a privilege and an honor to address you here this morning as the President of the Naparima College Association of Past Students. My name is Fariz Khan, and this year, our 75th year, our anniversary, is indeed a special year for us. Our association is geared towards putting students first, and that is you, our little brothers. We are here for you. We are here to assist you in every possible way. We are here to ensure that you get to where you want to be at the end of your school career. Our association for many years have assisted and gone through a lot of development with the school, together with the principal, vice principal, and staff. We are always committed. I would like to especially welcome Mr. Roger Ali and Mr. Rodney Pardesi, acting in their positions as principal and vice principal respectively. And we would like to reaffirm our commitment to Naparima College and the Naparima fraternity. We stand here ready, willing, and able to assist in any possible way we can. And we assure you that our commitment will be unabated by anything and anybody. To you, my little brothers, a new school term has begun under different circumstances, and of course, we have to adhere to our new protocols and our new rules. But don't let this be any kind of distortion to you. Please continue. Don't drop the ball. You are here for one purpose, and that is to enhance your education, to ensure that you get to where you want to be at the end of your school career. For this, we commit ourselves to you. We at the Naparima College Association of Past Students would like to ensure that you meet all of your goals, and therefore we are ready and prepared to assist you in any way. If at any point in time you need any assistance, if at any point in time you need to speak to someone, if at any point in time you need for us to reach out to you, please let us know. You can call us on our number at 653 NAPS, which is 653-6277, or even reach any one of our members that you may know or someone may get in contact with. We want you to be assured that whatever it is, we are willing and we are here for you. It is indeed my pleasure to bring greetings to you on behalf of the Naparima College Association Executive and all its members who work assiduously day in, day out to ensure that funds are raised through all our fundraisers, to ensure that we continue to commit to the school, to ensure that we continue to assist the principal, the vice principal, and the staff, to ensure that our Naparima College stay where it is, stay at number one, not only in education, but in other spheres, such as sport and culture. We would really like that you adhere to all the protocols that are in place now, and also to stay safe, stay at home, but keep online, stay online for your online classes. Please don't miss your classes. Don't drop the ball, as this is important for you. Your classes are important for you. I know it's difficult at this point in time, but this too shall pass, and we shall meet again. To all of you, I wish you all the best. God's blessings. God bless Naparima College, and most of all, God bless our beloved Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you.